Descriptive essay. The night market. One of the most interesting places in Malaysia is the night market. You may visit and experience the night market yourselves. Both locals and foreigners agree that the night market is the most common feature in the local society. The night market begins when the vendors arrive in the late afternoon. More and more goods-laden vans arrive to begin a brisk day of business. Most of the vendors busily set out to set up their stalls respectively in order to get ready for a brisk day of business. The sun gradually sets and the night market picks up momentum. More cars and vans are arriving. By now, the stalls are neatly and strategically arranged to entice their customers. There is an assortment of goods sold ranging from food, toys, and clothes, to name a few. A variety of goods is sold at low prices. Large rainbow-colored parasols are used to shade the people from rain and shine. A concoction of blaring music can be heard in the night market background amidst the constant shouting. It is an amazing kaleidoscope of sights, sounds, smells and colors. The night market is known as a haven by local gourmets who can enjoy various kinds of mouth-watering local cuisine. Still more people arrive, they come from all walks of life, mingling freely and harmoniously. Crowds are walking up and down in an endless stream. Some of them are stopping by the stalls and haggling before making purchases. Little children tag along, amused and excited. Sprinklings of tourists join in to experience the lifestyle of typical Malaysian folks. When night falls, lighted lamps brighten up the place, they add gaiety to this atmosphere, and it is like a fun fair. The night wears on and the traffic of people recedes. Vendors get a chance to rest their weary legs besides bantering with each other. By 10:00 p.m., all the stalls call it a day. The vendors pack up and close the van doors. One by one, they leave, leaving behind pieces of papers, plastic bags, and discarded boxes. It is an eyesore. Finally, the night market disappears. The place becomes quiet and still once more. Note, night market is known as Pasar Malam in Malay language.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.